Here is a very unique car here at Barrett-Jackson 2025. This is a 2006 McLaren SLR HDK that was built by McLaren special order operations. So it was actually built by McLaren in the UK. The 5.5 liter V8 engine has been modified a little bit with extra 1.1 bar, so about 15 extra pounds of boost pressure, making 793 horsepower to the 5-speed automatic transmission. This is an all carbon fiber body. You can see the carbon fiber in the center. We call this volcano orange. Very beautiful paint. It's opened up so you can see that engine bay. They even have the painted covers. So the engine sits all the way back behind the front wheels. And the interior has been redone in the classic Mercedes-Benz plaid pattern. Also the volcano orange. Spoiler on the back. Back up a little bit so you can get a good view of this car. Beautiful SLR McLaren. I love that color. Great car.